Hello everybody, how you all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? Manners and respect. Are your girl Debbie from down a yard? Oh no pretty? Yeah man. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for making it West Indian Delights. Now today I'll be doing all for you a little waffle batter. I'm going to show you all how to mix up to do a little basic waffle batter and put in your own little twist to it. Okay, inside the bowl here I have 2 cups all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons baking powder, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. And we are going to incorporate with our whisk. Okay? To this now, we're going to make a hole in the center. To this, we have 2 eggs. We're going to put it right in. And we're going to put in a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, preferably. If you want to use any other oil, feel free, but it's vegetable oil. And we're going to put in 1.5 cups of milk. Okay? 1.5 cups of milk. And to this now, I have 1/2 cup of mashed ripe bananas. This is a twist. The mashed ripe bananas. This is a twist to it. So we're doing some banana waffles. So we're going to give it a little flavor. So to this now, we're going to add half of my little cup of yellow almond. Yep. And half of this cup of vanilla. And we're going to beat. Don't matter about the lumps, family. This is what it's supposed. Your batter supposed to have that lumpiness inside of it. Okay. So this is the color that we got after all of that. So we're doing a little mixing, not a lot of mixing, to get our flour and everything. And we might just put a little bit of our milk more to it. We're making a mess, family. We're going to link for you all everything that we used. All the ingredients will be linked in the description. And at the end of it, this is what your batter looks like. You will have a little lumps, but don't worry about it. Okay, so it is ripe banana waffle mix from West Indian Delights. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification, and share the video with a friend. And remember again, it's ripe banana waffle mix from West Indian Delights. And a Debbie from down a yard.